I'm going to get wrapped up because it is chucking down. The other thing, as soon as I came around the corner, the first thing I spotted is snow. So it's obviously a bit chilly up here. I'm going to head up to the Bothy tonight. My mate has dropped out. I mean, I don't blame him because the weather is horrific, but I'm going to try and get this Bothy now. It'll just be me and Poppy. I think it's about 3 miles. We're getting out now, don't worry. Don't actually seen snow before. Poppy, what's this? Look at this stuff there. There's my path. I think I'm going to have to make a diversion. Right, let's put the top here. Let's have the first view of the Bothy. There. There's a load of horses on the path. I had to get off it because they weren't moving. They had a little baby with them. So now I'm on the crap stuff. But 5 minutes and I'll be there. My home for tonight. The last path was really sketchy. I'm not going to go back that way. So you got a couple of chairs. You can sleep by here if you want. Or you can go up the ladder. There's room for, I don't know, maybe 3 up there. We've got the stove. I brought a big bag of wood, but look, someone's left a coal, wood, fantastic. I won't go through it all. There's candles here. There's whatever that is, I don't know. A cup, emergency blanket. Got the fire going. I got my dinner. It's a Mexican bean thing. So look at this. Oh, it's roaring in there. It'll still be warm in here now. You just want to go home, don't you? We've had a walk now. Could sit by here. It'd be lovely and warm. Yeah, I'm seriously impressed with this place so far. The only thing I don't like about it, you don't know if someone's about to walk through the door. If anyone's allowed in. So I'm going to eat my dinner now and I'm going to have a coffee with it. And I've even got a newspaper to read. So I better do one more video before it gets dark. Got my cup of Earl Grey. Poppy's found an awesome spot next to the furnace. Got all my clothes drying. Rucksack. It's the gas buck. And I've set up my bed. There it is. Well, half set it up. The mat was a bit wet from the walk, so I'm leaving that dry out. Then I'll put my sleeping bag out. Room for another 2 people if anyone turns up. I don't get that view out most people's doors though. Yeah, beautiful. There's my water source right there. I thought you were having a nice sleep there. She's good to go home, she is. Let's have a little look. They haven't been too bad actually. I don't know if there's going to be more rain and wind in the night or what. I'll be sleeping up in the eaves. Like this, someone's Someone's left a carry mat for there. Brilliant for spares in here, mind. It's starting to get dark now, so I'm going to light the candle. And then I've got some goulash for tea. Looking for, what time is it? 0 o'clock. First one is Yellow Moo, Thornbridge. It's a super strong one. Seems I only brought 3 beers with me. It should be just good. What do you want, Captain Wingy? It's absolutely boiling in here now. I've had to strip under a t-shirt. I don't know if you can see, there's snow outside. Right, can number 2. Vocation, Life and Death. Lovely one this is. It's quite strong again. I've got a beautiful setup here now. Well, I got these 3 lanterns, but they weren't really good enough and not light, so I got this torch hanging up. All the goodies. Poppy's in the corner still. Every time she jumps down, she wants me to lift her back up. It's hardly high. The fire is boiling. I haven't been putting much on it at all. There's a couple of coals here. I brought up about 8 logs. I've only stuck 1 in so far. Last can. Jaipur from Thornbridge again. Brilliant brewers. I got the goulash on the go. Added all the different beans in there now. That is a big healthy meal. Well, I don't know about healthy, but it's a big meal. Right, it's got a bit more busy since my last video. Got 3 guys turned up.
Right. How you doing, right?
Apologies if I can't remember my names. I'm shit with names. What's your name, mate?
Matt.
Matt.
Mike. John.
John.
And little Pooch.
And Poppy was terrible at keeping them out. Just want to say hello. So we're going to be squishing in here tonight. So I did say thought it was going to be 3 maximum, but we got 4. So we'll see how it goes.
No,
I think we get 1 downstairs, won't we? We'll be alright.
Yeah, we'll be alright.
Even the Bothy now. 3 guys are still sleeping there. I'd woken up super early, so I think I was getting on their nerves. I left up some sweets to say sorry. I come outside, it's absolutely chucking it down with snow. So I'm taking back the car, make sure that's alright. It's a little bit snowy, walking up here in the middle of nowhere. Hope I can get my car out. I don't know, we'll have to see. Look how much snow is coming on me, baby. Look at that. Gorgeous. You look at that and you think, this is going to be good. Look at all the goodness in there. And that's what you get. All day breakfast, which I'm hoping tastes better than it looks. It's not looking too appetizing. I've walked nearly all the way home now. There's not so much snow down here. So I think the car will be fine. Still haven't got any signal actually. It's way out in the sticks, this one. Look, Dogger drops him on the floor there. I think she's trying to get my attention. Give me some. It looks good to me.